In this quick video, I want to show you how to use the express checkout in any Walmart in the United States. Grilled chicken breasts. Chicken breasts. All right, let's start scanning. Oops. All right, find the barcode. There's the barcode. All right, you can also do it by the handle. So you would normally, there's usually a handle here, but you can see one's like right there where you can grab it and you can scan the item if you don't want to take it out of your cart. So there's the barcode. So you can scan it over here or you can scan it over here. And these are the ones, produce, so vegetables or fruits or anything that you have to weigh. So what you can do is find the fruit or vegetable that has the barcode on it. And what you can do is, that one don't have it, but that's okay because you got another one that has it. And then I get it right here, and then I can just scan the barcode. And then this is also a scale, and it'll weigh it. All right. They're asking me how many. So these are actually not weight. So I got 3 of them, and then enter. If it's something that you would weigh, you would put on there and it would weigh it. All right, that looks like we're done. So in order to pay, just click pay. Now you can do cash. So you just basically put your notes in here or your coins, cash or coins right here. But I'm going to use a credit card or a debit card. So the only thing I have to do is use, on my credit card, I'm going to use my chip. And you would normally go over here, put it in like this. So some of them you could do the little chip and some you can't. And it says approved, thank you. Receipt should come out here. And you can leave the basket here, they'll come get it. Oh, you could either have it text to your phone or print. All right, and we're all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.